Hello everybody, it's Mr. Remedies back again with another quick how-to video. I know that school is starting very shortly, and I know that you parents and some of you kiddos have tons of questions, so I'd like to hop in real quick and give you a quick how-to video on our check-in and chats, how to access our live Zoom meetings that we're going to be having actually daily. And we're actually going to be having them twice a day. Miss Phillips, your wonderful math teacher, and I decided that it'd be a pretty good idea to be available to you twice a day just for scheduling purposes. So if you have a question about reading, you'll be able to log in twice a day and give me those questions and chat. Or if you have a question about some of the math content, you'll be able to hop onto hers. You don't have to hop onto both of them to receive credit for attendance, but attendance is something we'll go over on Tuesday as well. So if you see on your screen here, I've logged in to Schoology, and for those of you still unfamiliar, I'll copy a link to how to access Schoology as well in this email. But I've logged into Schoology, I've gone to my courses, and I've selected my homeroom course. And when you do that, it automatically takes you to our materials page. Right now, there's no materials listed, but those will be posted Tuesday morning for you guys. And then starting on Tuesday, every Friday for the following week, your materials will be posted. So you guys can get a head start on those over the weekend and have plenty of time to chew on the content and materials and formulate questions and ask your mom and dad any kind of questions you might have, and then be able to ask me any questions on the following Monday about some of the stuff. But right now we don't have any materials. Right here we have updates, and that's where some of you guys have seen some of my videos. I've also posted a weekly schedule for us right here. These are my office hours. So if you have any questions about when our daily check-in and chats are, you can always go there. This will be pretty consistent, but I will definitely post my weekly schedule along with all of my content as well on Friday afternoons. So we're going to exit out of here. If you notice anything besides my sweet course picture and my handsome Lego Superman icon, over on our right side we have some upcoming calendar events. And our next event is Tuesday, August 18th, which is the first day of school, and that's our first day kickoff. If you guys are in here, just go ahead and click on this. It'll take you to another quick page, which gives us the time of the event. It's Tuesday, August 18th. I've created it, and it's our first digital meeting of the year. Now you'll just click this Zoom meeting link, and another tab will pop up. It'll ask you to open Zoom meetings. You're going to go ahead and click Open Zoom Meetings. We'll wait for it to talk. This meeting is scheduled for Tuesday, so it's not quite allowing me to get in yet, but it's going to ask you some questions like, how do you want to join? Would you like to join via audio? Would you like to listen only? And then it's going to ask you, based on your choices or your answers to those questions, it'll ask you for some permissions to access the microphone and camera. And so you're going to go ahead and click those, and then based on those preferences, you will join the meeting, and then you'll see me waiting patiently to greet all of my wonderful students. And so that, boys and girls, is what we have going on for our first digital meeting, and this will be how we have our meetings twice a day. So you can see we have a first day kickoff. We have all of these going on. I have to add the morning ones, but that'll be okay. I'll make sure to get those loaded in. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying the last few days of summer, and we will see you guys on Tuesday at 9 a.m. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at remediesa@ccisd.com. That's remedies, REMEDIES, @ccisd.com. And I'd be happy to answer any questions or walk you through how to log on before Tuesday. Alright guys, see you then.